According to China EV Post, CATL is in talks to establish a battery recycling business in Europe. The company is discussing potential factory sites with European governments, including Hungary. CATL's regional operations chief, Jason Chen, mentioned these discussions during an interview with Bloomberg. The move is aimed at addressing environmental concerns about battery production and disposal. CATL is also exploring partnerships with European companies, along with its own subsidiary, Guangdong Brunp Recycling Technology. The company previously signed a land pre-purchase deal in Debrecen, Hungary, for a €7.34 billion plant. This facility will have a planned capacity of 100 gigawatt-hours and is expected to start production in the second half of 2025. Initially, CATL aims for an annual capacity of 40 gigawatt-hours, enough to power over 1 million vehicles. CATL has also signed a recycling partnership with Volvo to reduce carbon emissions by reusing materials like nickel, cobalt, and lithium from retired batteries. You are listening to Yuan News.